Hello friends, imagine an animal that went extinct 13,000 years ago, living among us once again. Sounds like a story from science fiction, right? Well, Colossal Biosciences, a US-based company, claims they've made it possible. They say they have successfully brought back the Direwolf, the legendary beast made popular by Game of Thrones. But is it really true? Or is there more to the story? Let's dive in and find out. The direwolf, scientifically known as Canis dirus, was once a real creature, not just a fantasy. It roamed North America around 13,000 years ago. Bigger and stronger than modern gray wolves, it had powerful jaws and a stockier body. Interestingly, for a long time, scientists thought direwolves were close relatives of today's wolves. But in 2021, a groundbreaking study changed everything. It revealed that direwolves actually split off from other wolf species. 7 million years ago, making them as different from gray wolves as lions are from tigers. No wonder they were such fearsome predators. Now, how can an extinct animal be brought back to life? Scientists use three main methods. First, backbreeding, selectively breeding living animals to bring out ancient traits. Example, the Quagga project, trying to recreate an extinct zebra-like animal. Second, cloning, using preserved cells to create a genetic copy like they did with Dolly the sheep. Third, genetic engineering, the newest and most exciting method. Here, scientists edit the DNA of living relatives using fossil DNA as a guide. And Colossal Biosciences chose this third method for the direwolf. In 2023, the company started their project by extracting direwolf DNA from fossils found in Ohio and Idaho. Though the DNA was incomplete, they got enough information to work with. Turns out direwolves and gray wolves are about 99.5% similar in their DNA. So using CRISPR gene editing technology, known as genetic scissors, they modified 14 key genes in gray wolf DNA. These changes affected things like size, head shape, fur color, and fluffiness. The edited cells were then implanted into dog egg cells. After multiple attempts, 2 pups were born in October 2024, named Romulus and Remus. And a third female pup, Khaleesi, was born in January 2025. Adorable, right? But experts argue, are these really direwolves or just genetically engineered oversized wolves? Many scientists believe these are not true direwolves. Why? Because even though they look like direwolves, their genes are still largely gray wolf. Backbreeding and gene editing can bring physical similarities, but not the entire ancient DNA behavior or ecological role. Moreover, real direwolves went extinct for a reason. Their prey disappeared. They couldn't adapt fast enough. Today's world is very different. What place would these recreated animals have in our ecosystems? And there's another concern. Is this being done to restore ecosystems or just to create exotic attractions for billionaires to brag about? Bringing back extinct species sounds amazing. And yes, Colossal Biosciences' achievement is a milestone for science. But true de-extinction isn't just about playing God. It's about giving these animals a meaningful life in their natural habitat. Otherwise, we risk turning living beings into nothing more than entertainment, trapped in zoos for our curiosity. So the next time you hear about de-extinction, ask yourself, are we bringing them back for them, or for us? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of de-extinction, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which extinct animal would you want to bring back to life? See you in the next video. Would you like me to also want to cover woolly mammoth and Tasmanian tiger next? Let me know. Imagine a world where woolly mammoths roam across icy plains, their thick fur glistening in the sunlight. Picture the Tasmanian tiger prowling through its natural habitat, vibrant and alive, reminding us of what we once lost. Bringing these creatures back is not just an experiment. It's a chance to restore balance and respect for the environment. Let's discuss the importance of creating the right ecosystems for these animals, ensuring they thrive rather than merely exist. Remember, our responsibility lies in preserving their legacies, not exploiting them. What are your thoughts on this journey of rediscovery? Let's keep the conversation going.